Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy, and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now, our discussion will start from page 292. Okay, so our discussion will start from this page, and we're already on lesson number 88. So our topic is copying sentences. Okay, copying sentences. So do you have an idea what this topic is about? Alright, so let's start discussing it. So we have here below the teacher's language overview. And let's start with the first one. We have here the question. Let's read. Who knows what this is in English? Okay, next question is, what is it? Okay, in the next sentence, let me write it on the board. Let's copy this sentence in our notebooks. And the last one is, are you all done? Okay, so these are some of the sentences about copying sentences for the teacher's language. Now, let's check and read the dialogue part we have right here. So the dialogue starts with the teacher showing a picture of a rainbow. So do you know what is a rainbow? Anyways, let's start reading the dialogue, starting with the teacher speaking. Who knows what this is in English? And then some students raise their hands. Okay, what is it? And then the student said, rainbow. Teacher, right, it's a rainbow. Sungmin, can you make a sentence with rainbow? Okay, Sungmin said, I saw a rainbow. Okay, teacher, say it like this. I saw a rainbow. On to the next page now. Okay, and then here, Sungmin said, I saw a rainbow. Teacher, great. Now, let me write it on the board. And then the teacher writes the sentence on the board. Let's copy this sentence in our notebooks. The students copy the sentence. Are you all done? Students, yes. Alright, so now let us discuss the other expressions. The first one, we have the question, who knows what this is in English? You could also use, what's this English? What's the English word for this? Another one here is, do you know what this is called in English? Alright, now number 2, we have here the expression, let me write it on the board. Another way of saying that, I'll write it on the board for you. Okay? Now, number 3, let's copy this sentence in our notebooks. A simple way of saying that is, let's write this down, or write the sentence in your notebook. Okay? Number 4, we have here the question, are you all done? The teacher could also say, are you finished or are you all finished? Is everyone done? Has everyone finished? And have you all finished or have you finished? Okay? So whenever you see a word that is enclosed in a parenthesis, like this one, the all word, that it means that you have the choice if you will say it or you will use it in your sentence. But if you don't want to use it, it's okay. Just like saying it like this, are you finished? Or are you all finished? Okay? So it's still grammatically correct whether you used all or you don't use it at all. Okay? So that's it for the other expressions that you could also use in the dialogue part that we've just read. Okay, so I hope you understood what we read in the dialogue part. But if you don't, or you're getting confused on some of the English words, we have here below the Korean translation of that dialogue part. So here's the Korean translation of it, and the continuation is onto this page. Okay, so here's the continuation part. And here below, we also have here an important note that you need to read about, and its usefulness of having students write at an early level. Okay, so this is an important note that you have to read about. And we have here, it's 7 a.m. The sun is shining. My mother is cooking. My little brother is crying. I think this is just an example part. So that would be all for our lesson for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.